Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a mystery gift box unboxing for you, and it is the mystery gift box. This is what it looks like. And that's how it arrives in the post. On this side it's got my address. So if this is the first time you're watching me unbox one of these boxes, then I will give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I was sent, then I'll put a timestamp down in the comments below so you're free to flick forward. So the mystery gift box is based in the UK. They offer free UK delivery and they also ship worldwide. They have a ton of different boxes on their website. If you've never heard of them before, I really recommend checking their website out. Now they offer a subscription, but they also do one-off boxes. They have a subscription box for her and a subscription box for him, and you get to choose whether you want a £30 box or a £50 box. They offer monthly, bi-monthly and quarterly, and you've got the option to cancel any time. So onto their one-off boxes, they do a huge range of themes. Huge range of themes. They have over 600 different products in stock, and they currently source their products from over 40 different suppliers from the UK and Europe. So to give you an idea of the boxes they do a unicorn box, a gin box, a cat box, a dog box, a garden box, a box for her, him, granddad, grandma, brother, sister, mother, father, boyfriend, girlfriend, anything you can think of, guaranteed it'll probably be there. Now the aim of these boxes is to take the stress out of buying presents for people. So if you've got that awkward person you don't know what to buy for, then if you provide the mystery gift box with a theme, and they'll create a box for you. Now you've got the option as well to individually wrap the products inside the box, and that'll cost an additional £5. They have done so in my box, so I'm able to show you what the wrapped items look like. Oh, and I forgot to say that the mystery gift boxes for her range from £20 to £75 or £100 I think it is. So yeah, so there's lots of different choices there. The last box I had was really lovely, had some really good unique things in there, like I had lights and I had bath stuff and I had some gin things as well, so a really good mix. So haven't got a clue with this one, but I'm going to open it up and show you now. So inside the box got a little leaflet here, and it says if you're interested in subscribing to their monthly subscription or their quarterly or bi-monthly, then they've got a code for subscribe10 for 10% off your box. And it also says here, our main goal is customer satisfaction. If for any reason you needed to contact us about your mystery gift box, please feel free to email us at help. And it's got the email on there, so if there's something wrong or you don't like it or something like that. Oh my gosh, look at all these. So that's what it looks like inside the box. So I'll just take all these worms away. I got little Christmas trees and Happy Christmas, and what's this one say? Merry Christmas, little confetti things in there as well. This is cute. So this is what it looks like if you opt for wrapping, which will cost you an additional £5. It's all individually wrapped with a lovely bow as well. So let's open it up and see what the first item is. Oh, I love this. I get so excited. I can't open it. Oh, is this like sleep masks? No, it's not. It's by Danielle and it's steam eye masks in cucumber. I'm just trying to take it all in. Leave on for 30 minutes. It soothes and relaxes tired eyes, helps to soothe tired, strained eyes, promotes relaxation, cucumber fragrance, heat lasts for 30 minutes. Wow. Wow. I've never ever tried anything like this, except for sleep masks, that is. Oh, I want to open one. If I open it though, would it start going warm? Because that's what the heat masks do. Yeah, it might well do. I don't want to do it just in case. But that's what they look like there. And it just tells you on the back as well. Oh, I love that. I love that. It's a little bit different. How many's in there? Does it say? Yeah, 5 masks. So no, that's my first item. And that's that. If you want to get one of these boxes yourselves for someone else, and there's specific items that you would be interested in, you are able to email them and to have like a bit of a customization going on, so you can do it that way as well. So you can give them ideas, or things like for instance, you know, I want a gift box for her, but my friend doesn't like face masks, or my friend doesn't like candles, so they won't put them in. So things like that, so you can customize it a little bit. Yummy something. It's food. I got food. Honeycomb smothered in 70% dark chocolate Belgium. Dark orange Belgium chocolate. Oh my gosh, bite-sized nuggets. I'm going to have to try one now. And they're gluten-free as well. Oh, that is lovely. Look, that's what they look like. Oh, it's so nice. That is so nice. I haven't had honeycomb for a long while, doing crunchies and things, and I used to love a crunchie, but I haven't had one in ages. So is that? Ooh, is it something alcoholic, or is it a candle, or a glass even? Gosh, I don't know. Oh, it's one of these. Got a bit of information about it here. We're committed to recycling single-use plastic bottles and caps. Follow us on social media and share your FOSS photos to help us in our quest. And then it just tells you all about how to clean it and look after it and things. But no, I'm really chuffed with that. It's something I really want, but it's the sort of thing that I never go out and buy. This would be really handy, really handy. So yeah, so there's that. Oh, I'm opening it up below the camera. I'm so sorry. I've just taken the ribbon off. Oh, it's a face serum. This is by Upcircle with coffee oil with repurposed grounds, and it's hydrate and firm, and there's 30 mils here. I think I've tried this before. I think I've had a little version of this one before. And have they got like a body scrub as well? Or am I thinking it's this one? It just rings a bell unless I've received a little mini one of these. But no, lovely packaging. So it's a face serum. See if it smells of coffee. Yeah. That's lovely. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. Add a few drops to the palm of the hand and massage onto skin. So it's a hydrating face serum. So it's that. Next item. All these bits are falling. Little stars and things. Slice mask sheet, strawberry. 2 sheets. Cocoa Star. There's 2 sheets. Oh my gosh. I'll show you properly now on the back. Oh, that just makes me want to open it up right now and smell it. Can you see in there? 2 sheets, but it's a facial mask that helps provide a vibrant and glowy complexion. I'm assuming it's got like half and half. So you've got 1 sheet for the top, 1 sheet for the bottom. I can't smell it through. Oh, I love fruity things. Love it. And yes, strawberry sounds gorgeous. So there's that. Next one. Loads of them. What is this? It's bubble tea, rainbow tea, bath infusion tea bags, a colourful explosion of sweet sprinkle notes and a twist of confetti, infused with essential oils and confetti addition. Wow, look at that. I had a bubble tea beauty set in the last box I had, and it was lovely. It's all like body washes and creams and things. But yeah, bath tea bags. I've only ever tried one before, and I had it in a subscription box ages ago. And I just thought, what a cool thing to have. Really cool. Oh, open it. This is so cool. So there's 3 of them. Oh, it just smells of sweet. It's like sherbet, like love hearts. Do you remember those? If they're still around, they just smell like love hearts. Oh my gosh, they do. They just go. That's just so lovely. You've got a little instruction, little tab thing there. And this is what it looks like. How cool is that? So there's 3 in all. So there's those. So the last item in the box. I don't know what it is. Can you hear it? Alright then. Oh, it's a Christmas can. I think it is. Yeah, gingerbread cookie. That is so pretty. Oh my word, that just smells just like Christmas. It smells gorgeous. Oh, I'm not that keen on ginger. I want to eat a gingerbread cookie if I see them, but it's only little bits I can take, but I'm not that keen on ginger. And this smells just like a gorgeous like gingerbread latte from like Costa or Starbucks or something. It is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to give that a go. Can't wait to see how strong that is in the house and see what everyone else thinks. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll show you one by one what I received in this box. So there's 5 masks in here. It's by Danielle and they're cucumber steam eye masks. So there's that. I've got a FOSS insulated water bottle. I've got a hydrate and firm upcycle face serum. I got a Cocoa Star and it's a strawberry face mask. I've got a set of 3 bubble tea bath tea bags. Got some gorgeous chocolates called Yummy Cone. And lastly, I got the gingerbread cookie candle. So this was the £50 Christmas gift box for her. Now, I love all the items. All the items are going to be handy. They're a bit different. I love all the smells and everything coming from them. I love the fact that it's a good selection. There's candles, something to eat, there's body treats, there's bath treats, there's skincare, and also there's a water bottle. So there's a lifestyle product in there as well. I do think it's a really nice mix of everything. Out of all the products in the box, the items that I'm really looking forward to trying is the candle, which I'm going to light later on now, and also the tea bags to put in the bath tea bags. They just smell absolutely gorgeous, and they're just so quirky. I absolutely love them. But and the cucumber steam masks as well. They're a bit different. I've never heard of anything like that before. Oh, I don't know. It's a really good box. It is a really good box. I say in quite a few of my videos now that sheet masks don't really excite me that much anymore. They're lovely. I use them 2 or 3 times a week. I do it before I go to bed while I'm watching telly, so I do use them, but I think we seem to get a lot of them, and normally I'd be like, oh okay, it's a sheet mask, it sounds nice, lovely, but it doesn't really excite me. But this one, because it is strawberry, and I've got a huge craving for anything fruity smells and everything. Oh, I love it. I think that has won it over for me, but if it wasn't, then it wouldn't have been a product that would have wowed me then, so to speak. I think for 7 products in a £50 mystery box, I think, yeah, it's a good box. It is a good box, and I'd be happy if someone would have given this to me as a Christmas present or a birthday present or Mother's Day present or anything like that. So I would be happy, definitely. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you taken out one of their boxes? If so, which one have you opted for? What was it like? Or if you've never ordered from them before, is this sort of concept something that takes your fancy, or does it not? Do you think, nope, it's not for you whatsoever? And yeah, all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.